were very good. Primarily, they were the part, they were from the various projects that students were preparing for their master's dissertation or some other purpose. So I think it was a great conference under your leadership, sir, and Dr. Urvashi Makkad. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Well, thank you very much, Dr. Sanjay. It's great and nostalgic also to meet you after so long a time. And I'm sure that this connection will grow stronger in the coming days too. And thanks for joining us. I'm sure you're doing great in your current association.
Thank you.
Thank you. IT team, if can manage the things with patience and some expertise, it will be highly appreciated. A lot of technical glitches are visible to us on screen. So you can take your time if you have something to fix up. No hurries at all. So meanwhile, if there is any other technical chair, we can listen from them. Dr. Satpathy is here. Yeah. So Dr. Satpathy.
Dr. Satpathy, I hope you are here with us.
Okay, well, I think the memento presentation can be done to all the technical chairs and we can move further to the award ceremony.
Yes, Aparna, we can go for the rest of the awards. Yes.
So we
this
have
is for you,
the
Sanjay.
award from track 3 that has been declared.
Okay.
From track 3, the best paper award goes to Brigadier Jeevan Singh Rajpurohit, who presented a paper on heterodox leadership in contemporary world.
Yes, madam, I want your 1 minute, please, with your permission. Yes.
Yeah, please, you have all the time. No need to ask even.
Yes, madam. We have with us Mr. Anant Kumar, who is our sponsor also. And he has sponsored the best paper award of student section. He is a graduate of IIT Delhi 2004, BTech in computer science. So I would like to introduce him here. Yeah, Mr. Anant, yes, please. You want to say something?
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to work with such a great institute, IMS Ghaziabad. We have been running a small startup in UK, and I'm quite happy to say that there are a couple of students who are working with us and doing some project. They have been adding a great value. So yeah, thank you very much for all the help, and I would love to associate with you guys in future as well. This is just a small one way of associating with your college where I have been sponsored one of the award, but I would like to, as we have discussed with Mr. Rajneesh Jain, we would like to include or like associate with you with on many other front, whether it's working with the project or providing some industrial experience, sharing industrial experience, or helping with the providing some industrial experience to your students, not only in terms of lectures, but also providing them experience of working on the live projects, etc. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Yes, Anant, our director, Madam Dr. Urvashi Makkad, and she is with us, and she would like to speak some words. I request you.
Mr. Anant, it's great to interact with you, though virtually. We definitely look forward to the stronger association in the coming days. I'm sure that we'll come back to the scenario where we'll be meeting offline in the campus too. And it's so kind of you to offer your support for our students, and the young entrepreneurs like you are definitely the ray of hope for our country. And I really have very strong appreciation and sense of respect for people like you who are giving a different, we can say, the life sustainability to not only our country, but to the youngsters also, and showing them great direction and the path. So we wish you a great success in your venture. And we are definitely looking forward to great association with you in the coming days for our students' benefit. And thanks a lot for the current association. I'm sure the student who has won the award is definitely going to be rejoicing it, the offer by you. Thank you. Thank you very much, Anand.
Thank you very much for your kind words.
Aparna, we have 2 more results also shared with you. I think. track
Yes.
number
Yes, sir.
1 and track number 5.
Yes, sir, we have the results. As track 5 was exclusively for the students category, we have 3 awards for it. The first one goes to Avni Jain and Sunena Jain on the topic multi-criteria decision making in making manufacturing sector sustainable. The second one is Ardra Muralidharan and Shavish S. Nair on the topic impact of COVID-19 on work from home and household well-being. The third one is Ajay Chidambaram T, Ashwini J, and Krishnan G. Shah on the topic factors influencing trust on e-worm and its impact on purchase intention. Let's have a huge round of
So
applause
can
for
we
all of
have,
them.
yeah, can we have their awards, please?
I have one observation. The first prize in the student track is bagged by IMS student, IMS Ghaziabad student.
Yes, madam.
Yes,
A
madam.
student of IMS Ghaziabad, which
Avni
batch it
Jain.
is?
Avni Jain, second year, madam.
Yes,
Can you
actually,
remove Aman Kumar from the meeting itself?
uh,
I would appreciate the host or the IT team should take their own call quickly without any instructions and directions given to them. They can remove
actually,
such people who don't know their basic courtesies, how to attend the formal meetings. It's better to remove them quickly because one warning.
yes, Dr. Urvashi, I judged that paper actually. So therefore, just with your permission, just that paper was very well written, and the student was really presented it well.
I can understand,
communication
but
and
on moral
presentation is
grounds
very well.
and ethical norms, I would
Yes.
appreciate the first prize winners. They should take the kudos for being the first prize winner. But I would appreciate if they will take the final call on their own. It is just a suggestion that they can give the first prize to the second winner and they can swap the prizes. Because with the first prize one, we have the 5,000 rupees award, and never the host institution keeps the financial award if it is only for one team. That is one point. And secondly, the first prizes are never taken by the host teams. So on ethical grounds, I would suggest this. Now the final call is with the student. If he wants to keep the first prize, or he can swap the prize with the second prize winner. Who's the winner of the paper, first prize winner?
Miss Avni Jain.
Avni Jain.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm the winner of the first of the paper.
So, well, what's your call?
I would like my co-author to talk about it. Like, I don't have any problem in that. Like, my co-author is Sunena, ma'am. Like, whatever she decides, I'm okay with it.
I think, ma'am, your decision is absolutely valid and up to the mark. And being the host, we should take a call, and we happily accept that we should come second. So,
First
but
of
I'm
all,
happy that
Dr. Sunena, I haven't taken any decision. I only have given the suggestion, and suggestion has been given in the open public forum so that no one will think that it has been done with some compulsion. And Avni Jain would have jumped to the conclusion. I believe as a student, that should be the level of unprising spirit, which I will say not very happily that is not there. So I would appreciate our students to be enterprising enough. I'm surprised that the response of Avni has been so lackluster on this opportunity in the public platform to accept on ethical grounds certain decisions, but she preferred not to take decision and keep it pending to someone else. So my dear students, basically any such platform which is offered to you, whether that's a conference, seminar, plenary talk, The basic objective is to make you learn how to decide in your life. The ultimate objective is to learn to take decisions. And if you are averse of taking decisions, just putting it on hold or giving the onus to someone else, I'm sorry to comment, you are failing being a management graduate. So Avni, I don't know what has been going on in your mind, but yes, at first sight, Dr. Sunaina should have taken the call once the result was announced. It should not have come to the valedictory session. That is one point. And if it has come to the valedictory session, the announcement should have been made by her on her own. But now let us see what this team wants to say. So I'm leaving the final decision to this team of 2 members, and the rest, obviously, whatever is going to be your decision.
Ma'am, we are happy to be onto the second category, and we duly consider, and I was not knowing the result in advance because I was not part of that track. It came all of a sudden. It was news to me also. So I'm 100% in favor of this decision taken unanimously.
Well, we make the announcement that the second prize winner will be the first one, and we will send them the separate memento later on. And as a practice throughout the world, we have seen never the host institution accepts the first prize in any category. So I hope that we will maintain this ethical, basic, fundamental rule in the favor of the social justice or the basic courtesy towards all other participants from outside the institution. So well, congratulations to all the winners. And once again, I would like to extend my thanks to all the technical chairs. It
Ma'am,
is
one
always
result we have.
great to get connected. Yeah, please.
Ma'am, we have the result for track 1. The award goes to M. Guhanesh and R. Parvarthi. The topic was customer buying behavior for insurance marketing firm. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request Director ma'am to give the valedictory remarks.
So well, first of all, thanks to all the technical chairs who have conducted the technical sessions with their presence, and they definitely have shared their expertise with all the participants, and it's our honor to have you all on board. And besides the technical sessions, definitely right from the morning till date, it has been a great learning experience. I'm very sure for all the participants, including me as one of them, listening to highly expert, insightful talks from the chief guest, the presidential addresses, and in the plenary talks, the online sessions definitely have been there, but I could not find the lack of expertise and learning, even if it has been a conference on the virtual platform. The level of engagement, the level of interaction, the number of questions which have been asked by the participants, that shows very clearly that a lot of interest has been created amongst all the participants about the theme of the conference. And I'm sure that our students would have been highly benefited of this. I congratulate the whole team for organizing this conference. I hope that the similar efforts will keep on going in our campus for the benefit of not only the students, but for the society at large. Because the dissemination of knowledge which happens with these platforms, the consolidation of the knowledge, and then this accumulated knowledge is utilized in the academia. This 3-step approach definitely help any institution in becoming a crusader for the dissemination of knowledge and the skill sets amongst the students community and all other stakeholders also. So once again, congratulations to all the research paper presenters, the award winners. Thanks to the technical chairs and all the expert speakers since morning till date. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. As we have come to the end of ICMIC 21, I would now request Dr. Anita Singh, Chairperson HR, to propose the vote of thanks.
Ma'am, before the vote of thanks, just want to have 15 seconds of yours.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, ma'am, actually the result for track 2, we have to announce the result for track 2 also, the winner.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Please,
Would
please
like-
go ahead.
So would like to announce the winner for track 2. So in track 2, which was financial management, the winner is Mr. Girish Garg from Galgodia University. On the paper was on the theme of impact of emotional biases on mutual fund investors. So I would like to congratulate the winner, Mr. Girish Garg, for the excellent presentation, and it was also commended by the technical session chair also, that this paper was a very good.
Great.
Yeah,
I would suggest the conference team, whosoever is going to be responsible for communicating the details, that a consolidated brief report of the conference is prepared, which should be shared with all the participants, all the delegates, along with, if anyone has received any award or the virtual mementos, kindly share the copy with them so that they can have something with them in return. And
Yes, sir.
secondly, I would appreciate and request that the e-certificates are also given to all the participants and all the expert speakers and
Yes.
the technical chairs at the earliest. So I'm sure that that will keep us connected with everyone who has already participated in this conference.
Sure.
Thank you
Right,
very
ma'am.
much. Thank you.
Right, ma'am.
Good evening.
Yes, over to Rita, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. Am I audible to everybody?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
Yes,
audible?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, good evening once again. Honorable Sri Naresh Agarwal, Chairman, IMS Group of Institution. Sri Nitin Agarwal, Chief Patron and Managing Trustee, IMS Group of Institution in absentia. Chief Guest, Mr. Sunil Kumar, President, Lava International. Respected Professor Dr. Urvashi Makkar, Patron, Conference Chair and Director, IMS Ghaziabad. Presidential Speaker, Mr. Satish Paul, Vice President, Hitachi. International Plenary Speakers, Dr. Michael Touch, Said, and Hazel Macon, Professor of Business Management, Guilford College, North Carolina, USA. Mr. Ashish Patel, Managing Director, Morgan Franklin, Washington, USA. Dr. Sultana Maria Amor Torres, Founder and President, We Care for Humanity. Dr. Ashish Bansal, Director, Process Improvement, Columbus Technologies and Service Inc., USA. Mr. Rakesh Gaur, President, Railway Division, Kalpataru Power Transmission. Mr. Amit Sethi, Branch Head, DBS Bank, Noida. Dr. Tapan Kumar Naik, Chief Convener, Dean Academics, IMS Ghaziabad. Convener sessions, session conveners, session chairs, host participants, delegate, faculty members, and research scholars, and my dear students. It's indeed an honor and my pleasure to represent whole IMS fraternity and propose a vote of thanks toward the end of the one-day online international conference on managing inflection point in changing landscape through technological innovation. A very apt theme for the current scenario, which was again suggested by Dr. Urvashi Makkar ma'am. So I place on record our deep sense of gratitude to Honorable Naresh Agarwalji, Nitin Agarwalji, for their faith they have reposed in the whole IMS team and given an opportunity to organize this international conference. We are really thankful to your visionary leadership and for continuous support in this in organizing this international conference, sir. We owe a huge gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Sunil Kumar, and presidential speaker, Mr. Satish Paul, for accepting our invitation and finding time to grace the occasion from their busy schedule. Your presence had added a grandeur to today's conference. The conference would not have been possible without the guidance and mentorship of our Reverend Director, Professor Urvashi Makkar, Director Ramesh Ghaziabad. Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational leadership. We have been fortunate to have a galaxy of international and national identity from academia, industry, and other areas. We are highly thankful to our plenary speaker for creating an interactive pattern for academicians, corporates, executives, and research scholars for sharing their views on the latest development in all domains and impact of changing scenario on different sectors of business and industry. We are thankful to Dr. Tapan Kumar Nayak, Chief Convener for of this event, for extending full support, invaluable guidance for the organizing this event. I thank all the distinguished delegates who have accepted our invitation and given their time generously. Thank you everyone for your participation, has added depth to the content and deliberations. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the session chairs who have devoted their time and energy in evaluating the research papers and sharing their knowledge and expertise to faculty and research scholars. It was a highly learning session for all of them. I thank the reporters who have been diligently taking down the notes to ensure that the salient points of the discussion are recorded for publications after the conference is over. An event of this magnitude requires meticulous planning and execution and eye on details. We have been very fortunate to be able to draw upon the support of all the conveners, Dr. Abhinav Tripathi, Dr. Sunana Jain, Dr. Harsh Pratap, Dr. Rajneesh Jain, Dr. Sachin Malhotra. They have demonstrated initiative and involvement at every step and made the task very easier for us. I'd also like to express deep appreciation for the overwhelming response from the faculty and research scholars from India and abroad. We have recorded more than 300 research papers from every part of the country and abroad. I would sincerely thank all the participants for enriching the conference by your presence, and I'm very sure that it was a great learning session for everybody. I'm also thankful to academic partner, University of Fredericton, Canada, and Humanistic Management Network India chapter for their collaborations. And we are also thankful to our sponsoring agencies. At the end, I would like to thank all the members of organizing committee, faculty, staff, and student coordinators for putting their untiring effort and making this conference a grand success. The students coordinators, they have done wonders. They have controlled every track sessions. They have controlled the whole valedictory session, and they have also inaugural session. So a big round of applause for them. I think they have done a wonderful task, because though it was a virtual conference and it was the first-hand experience, they have been able to handle it very well. So I'm thankful to all of you and grateful to all of you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, with your permission, ma'am, may we please end the session?
Excuse me.